Writing sales emails. About. There are a few different ways you can use Chat GPT to help you write sales emails. Here are a few examples. 1. Use the prompt function to give Chat GPT specific information about your product or service and ask it to generate an email introducing it to a potential customer. 2. Use the completion function to give Chat GPT the beginning of an email you've written and ask it to finish it for you. 3. Use the conversation function to have a conversation with Chat GPT about your sales email, and it will respond with suggestions and examples. It's important to keep in mind that Chat GPT is a language model and not a sales expert, so it's best to review and edit the emails it generates before sending them. Write an email introducing our new product name, to a potential customer, highlighting its key features and benefits. Write a follow-up email to a potential customer who has shown interest in our product name, addressing any objections they may have and closing the sale. Write a thank you email to a customer who has just made a purchase, encouraging them to leave a review and promoting related products. Write a re-engagement email to a customer who has not made a purchase in the last X months, offering them a special deal to come back. Write an email with a subject line that would entice the customer to open it and a body that will make them want to buy our product name. Tips. Be specific and clear about the product or service you are offering in the sales email. Provide detailed information about its features and benefits, and how it can solve the recipient's problem or meet their needs. Keep the email concise and easy to read. Break up the text with headings, bullet points, and images to make it more visually appealing.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.